We breathe into this moment, allowing ourselves to fully arrive at this time for meditation. Allowing this moment to be what it is, a holy moment. A holy moment because it is the one moment that we have. It is the one moment that is always existent. That when we become mindful, we realize it is the only one we get continually. So we allow ourselves moment by moment to wake up to the practice. To wake up in awareness. That this moment is where life is experienced, where life is created. That this moment is whole and complete and holy. So we take a deep breath in and a complete exhale as we invite our minds to become still. And we begin to allow thoughts to simply drift in and out of mind like clouds in the sky. On the inhale, we draw the crown of the head high, and on the exhale, the shoulders drop down and away from the ears, and the body becomes heavy. And we begin a gentle rhythm of inhaling and exhaling to simply allow the mind to become quiet. Allowing the body to become still. And allowing ourselves to feel what is there just beyond movement, just beyond thought, just beyond sound, in the midst of the silence. breath by breath, moment by moment, we arrive right where we are. Remembering that when we tune in to this moment, we truly have everything we need to show up. So we simply allow the silence and the stillness to go before us. We allow that which is within us to guide us. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. Namaste.